This is the VO-7U, a dynamic USB mic made by Deity. But is it actually worth the $169 price tag? Let's find out. Deity has made this mic super easy to use. Just plug and play. Absolutely no software involved. Instead, they gave us some physical dials, which I love because you know you can't always trust software. The dial on this side is for your gain, which is pretty self-explanatory. The more you turn it up, the louder you're gonna get. And the more you turn it down, the quieter you're gonna get. But are you a little worried about those exciting moments? Well, they got you covered there too. Because once you turn it past 50%, a built-in limiter will kick in for those really exciting moments. But guess what? That's not all this dial does. If you push it in, it'll act as a button, and this will turn on your LED lights. They have tons of super cool looking options to cycle through, although my favorite is the moving RGB. But these lights don't just look pretty, they serve a purpose. You see, on this side there's a mute button, and when you press that, the light is gonna flash red so you know, hey bro, you're muted. Then, continuing around the mic, we have our headset volume button. That's right, you can monitor audio. So, if you plug in a pair of headphones, like this, then you can monitor that audio so you know exactly how you're gonna sound. Also, you can go to your settings and select this mic as an output, so all of your PC audio is going to run straight out through these things. I really can't stress enough how much I love the fact that we have physical dials and buttons opposed to software. It's just absolutely wonderful. Another thing I like about this mic is the pickup area. It's right here, so you can always keep the most important thing front and center. You. Hey, real quick, if you're getting value, go ahead and drop a like, because it's the best way to get this video to more people. The build quality on this mic is also amazing. It feels very firm and stable, not like it's gonna fall over or break in your hands or anything. I'd be very concerned if a mic felt like that. However, it's still pretty light, so if you want to go handheld, your precious arms aren't gonna get tired. Okay, let's say you don't want to hold it. How's the mounting options? Well, Deity actually added this really nice design, which is able to give us a 3/8 and a 5/8, meaning you've got not one, but two ways to mount it. Okay, I've been super positive all video, but what are the downsides of this mic? Well, I actually have three main downsides. The first is that it's only a USB mic, which is great if that's what you're looking for. However, if you think you're going to need to upgrade your audio in the future, you might want to go with another option that has, let's say, XLR, so you're not limited to only USB, but you can get a little more pro options as your quality increases. Second is that the mic monitoring actually sounds a little worse than the final product. It's not terrible, but there's a little bit of static I've noticed in the background that I haven't noticed when I'm editing the videos. And finally, the last one is a little petty, but it's noticeable. It's actually not about the mic, it's about the arm mount. There's no mechanism to tighten where the physical arm goes into the tabletop mount, meaning it's a little loose and wobbly, which if you just get it set there isn't too bad. However, it is worth noting. Now for the big question, should you actually buy this? Well, if you're looking for a high-quality USB mic without breaking the bank, my answer is yes. And if you want to go the extra mile and get the arm kit, I think it's definitely worth it for the extra $30. However, if you don't need it, I would put that $30 to another piece of gear. If you want to buy this, I'll have a link in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in this video. Bye.